This is the second of 7 short video clips on how to strengthen developing technical vocational education and training systems. This clip gives you an overview of the framework itself. When we first started this project, one of the challenges was to define what TVET in fact is. And you'll see on the screen and in the supporting materials the definition that we arrived at. Within the original research report, there are a number of other definitions which we also considered. In this case, we're looking at any vocational training that occurs in some kind of formal setting. And that can include not just the education institutions, but the workplace and anywhere where there's a formal qualification provided for the students who complete the course. We recognise that much training and learning occurs in an informal or non-formal way. And the best way to recognise this is within the formal systems to give recognition of prior learning. So there's the definition, with a strong focus on developing skills for employment and further development. So the framework has 2 main parts. The first is the 6 key features, and we'll go into those in more detail in the next 2 video clips. And as we mentioned, there's also 5 stages of development. So on this basis, each key feature is then broken down into a number of elements. And each element is established at different levels. So when you use the framework, you are to rate each of the elements depending on which level you think you are at. On this basis, you can then put the results of your rating into a spreadsheet, and that then generates a fairly simple spiderweb graph, but it enables you very quickly to see where the strengths in your system are and where the potential weaknesses are and what should perhaps be your priorities for further development.